And I'm back with another vibe. Back with another vibe video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And we will be dropping the vibe bangers, okay? I just really wanted to get on here and make some content for y'all because it's been a minute since 2022 and I know I'm looking dusty right now, but oh well, because I'm about to put my unit on, okay? But I wanted to do this review. I had this unit right here. This is my baby, I love her. I had this one on not that long ago. I just took it off so I could re-put it on because it was coming up. So this is the unit. This is her name. This is her color, and as you can see, it got HD lace. Boo, when I tell you they ain't lying, they ain't lying. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. What I like is that it actually blends in with your skin tone. Any skin tone, it don't matter. But I did still put like a little foundation on the wig right here and on the lace. So yeah, and mind you guys, I'm not a professional. I do not do hair. I don't know really what I'm doing, but I just get it done, okay? But so far, if y'all like the video, please make sure y'all give me a thumbs up, okay? So let's just get into it. So y'all, I'm back. I did this off camera because y'all, apparently my storage full, but it just cleared up a little bit space so I can finish this video. Yeah, it's looking a mess right now, but right now I'm about to put on my lashes today, but I really kind of don't feel like wearing lashes today, but I might. But so this is what I use after before I put this on. I put this on, y'all. I'm so in love with this stuff. This stuff work like magic. Keep your lace laid. But I'm about to give it a second. Yo, I just did me a home.